Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we've got issue 65 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so issue 65 we are doing the luggage compartment, and that also means that we can, after we've done this, we could pretty much do the Mike Lane bonnet and trunk compartment bit. So let me show you the luggage compartment. So in here we do get the big bit, the luggage compartment. That's where the spare tyre will go. So put this to the side and we'll show you the magazine. So those are all the little bits. We get like a little tank, lock, the actual luggage compartment piece itself, lots of screws. So we're going to be putting these two side trims on and attaching them with BP screws. Then we're going to be putting this little lock on, then attaching this little tank to the back side. It looks like it's from the inside on that picture, but it's on the outer side. Then we're going to be putting this little buckle piece on and screwing that down. Then we can actually attach that to the DeLorean itself. Then we're going to be putting these two like piston bars, we're going to be attaching them to the luggage compartment as well. So at the end we should have something that looks a little like that. And then coming up next time, looks like we have the door locks and cables. It was quite a few steps to doing this one, but yeah, it's an exciting one because we also get to do this. This is the Mike Lane bonnet and trunk carpets. So we're going to be installing these probably in the next couple of days. As you can see, get some tools and everything there, some lining for the actual trunk itself. So we'll be installing these probably in the next couple of days. Okay, so let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so that's everything out of the packaging. As you can see, we get this nice little clip that's going to hold the spare wheel in. We get this little tank, the lock, the side trims, and 4 sets of screws. We get DM, GP, DP, and BP screws with this. So to start off with, we're going to be installing these strips down the side. So they only go on one way because the location nipples are in different points. So we can push that one onto that side. This is going to be secured down with BP screws. So let's get some BP screws out and start screwing. So we're going to need to turn this over. We need 3 BP screws in these 3 holes here. There's 3 holes just there. So I'm going to go straight down the middle first. Just like that. 2 more to go. So go on the outer part now. And 1 down the bottom here. There we go, that's that side trim all on there, looking very, very cool. Now we just need to do this side as well. So let's get this one on, making sure we get it the right way. Just like so. Now we can do exactly the same as what we did on that one. 3 more BP screws. That one on. Last one is going in this top pole just here. And there you are. We've got both of the side trims just on there. Now we're going to be installing this little lock bit. So with the actual cutout, there's a little cutout just there. That's going to be going towards the top edge. There is a location part just there. So now we can start screwing this in. We want 2 GP screws on the inside. So let's get one of them. I do have them already out of the packet. I'm just going to turn this round so it's facing me, so it's easier. And that's that one on. Now we can push this one in. Do that all the way down, and then we can take the second screw that's going in the opposite side. Just like that. You do have a lock on there. You can just about make that out on there. So now we need to put this fuel tank on. Well, the tank, it's not a fuel tank. This tank is going to go around the back end. This is going to go that way around, slot it down, It's got 2 screw points just here and here, and they are GP screws as well. And there we are, that's that on there, just like so. So we can put that to the side for the moment, and we're going to be working on this part here. So with this part, there's a little nipple on there that wants to be facing down the ways, and then we can be coming across, and we need to start threading this through. So where's it want it to go? Through the second one. No, through the first one. Push that through. It's going to get folded back on itself and then back out through the opposite hole. You might not be able to see this very well on camera, but yeah, we're just going to fold, push that through that. Come on. There we are. That's our luggage compartment piece. Now we just need to secure this down onto here. So there is a location nipple and a screw point. So which one is the, turn this around this way, this is going to go in here, and a GP screw. They didn't supply us with an extra GP screw for this, so I did have to dive into the old pillboxes to get one. So luckily we did keep them. So there we are, that's that bit just on there. Put that around the right way, there you are, that's that, just like that. So now we need to put this to the side just for a second, and we're going to bring up the Delorean itself. So I've already put a little cloth down ready so I don't scratch me bonnet. It's going to sit there just like that. Now we want to take this part, this is just going to get fitted straight down, should fit nice and snug just in here. Making sure we've got them all. No, I have to make sure this goes all the way down, which is not at the minute. There we go. There we go. Right, that's that down. Now we're going to need 4 DM screws, one here, 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 and here. Let's get our DM screws and secure this on. Right, so I'm going to start screwing this in. I'm going to go with this end first, lowering that down. That's that one on. Go this side. Alright, now just 2 at the front here. Making sure you've got your cable coming out as well, by the way. That one on. Last one. There we are, that's our luggage compartment attached. So now we've got some DP screws left, and they are 4. When we flip this back over, okay, so when we open this up, we've got these 2 arms here that we have to attach on. So we're going to extend this arm just down into there, and that's going to get plugged into there on that side, so we can close that down now. Get our DP screw ready. That's plugged into a hole that we're going to keep this on with. So this is just under here. So we're going to actually open this just a tad when we've got this up, just to hold that in. Right, that's that in. I know it's not the best angle to show you, but I'll show you as soon as I've got this screwed in. Just underneath there is a little screw hole. That's where it's going. So now we'll do exactly the same. We'll turn this round and we'll do the other side. There we are. That is that secured on now. Now, when we open this, we should have that helping us, and that stays open. Look at that. And let's close it down. So coming up again next time, like I said earlier, we have got the door locks and cables for that. So that's all that lot there. So I believe that's going to be going up all around here, around into the roof somewhere, I think. So there you go, guys. That is issue 65, all complete. And yeah, we've now got the luggage compartment installed, which means we can now go on to the Mike Lane bonnet and trunk carpets. So keep an eye out for that in the next couple of days. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.